Hello everyone, welcome back from my channel. Today we are going to do the exercises from Cambridge Primary Science Workbook 5. 1.3 How seeds are spread. Focus. Question number 1. What do we call the spreading of seeds away from the parent plant? Seed dispersal. Question number 2. How are these seeds spread? Sort them into groups and write the names of the seeds in the table. Acacia by exploding. Mangrove by floating. Coconut by floating. Impatience by exploding. Sycamore by flying away. Lantana by eating. Plum by eating. Dandelion by flying away. Jacaranda by flying away. Blackjack by sticking on. Practice question number 3. Match the way seeds are spread in the first column with the description of how the seed or fruit is adapted to the way it is spread in the second column. Draw a line from the way the seed is spread to the description of the seed or fruit. Way seed is spread. How seed or fruit is adapted to the way it is spread. By water. Seed has spongy covering that helps it float. By wind. Seed is very light with thin papery wings. By animals. Seed has spines and hooks. By explosion. Seed pods dry out and burst open. Question number 4. Describe another way in which plants are adapted to seed dispersal by animals. Give an example. Some plants have fruits that animals like to eat. The animals eat the fruit which contains the seeds. The seeds are spread in the animals' droppings. Question number 5. Why must seed be spread? Seed must be spread so they grow away from the parent plant and have enough space, light, and water to grow into new plants. Challenge. Ahmed and Yasin investigated seed dispersal. They collected 3 different seeds. They dropped each seed 3 times and measured how long it stayed in the air each time. These are their results. Question number 6. How were the seeds in the investigation dispersed? Give a reason for your answer. The seeds were dispersed by wind. The seeds have wings or a parachute of hairs to help them blow away in the wind. Question number 7. Draw a graph of the average time each seed stayed in the air. Question number 8a. Which seed stayed in the air longest? Dandelion. Question B. Suggest a reason for this. Because it is lighter than other seeds, or it has bigger wings. Question number 9a. Why did Ahmed and Yasin repeat their measurements? They repeat their measurements to make their results more reliable. Question B. One result is quite different to the others. Identify the result and suggest a reason for it. Reading 3 for seed read. They did not start measuring the time as soon as the seed was dropped, or they dropped the seed from a lower height than for the other readings. Question 10. Say how Acme and Yasin made the investigation a fair test. They dropped all the seeds from the same height, or they started measuring the time as soon as each seed was dropped. 1.4 Seed germination. Focus. Question number 1. Match each word about how seeds grow with its description. Draw a line from the word to its meaning. Word description. Germination. When a seed starts to grow. Water makes the seed swell. First root, the first part that grows. First shoot, grow upwards. Seed, get smaller. Question number 2. The pictures of the stages of seed germination are in the wrong order. The first root grows. Number 2. Leaves get bigger and seeds shrivel. Number 5. The first leaves grow. Number 4. The seed coat splits. Number 1. The first shoot grows. Number 3. Practice. Classify investigated germination. They put seeds on damp cotton wool and placed them into plastic bags. They then put the plastic bags in different places. They check the seeds after 3 days. This is a bar chart of their results. Question number 3. In which place did the most seeds germinated? Most seeds germinated in the drawer and on top of the decks. Question number 4. How many seeds germinated in the freezer? None. Question number 5. Suggest a reason why the same number of seeds germinated on the drawer on the top of the decks. The seeds in both places had enough warmth and water, or the seeds had all the factors they needed for germination. Question number 6. What do the results tell you about the conditions that seeds need to germinate? Seeds don't need light for germination, but they do need moisture, water, and warmth. Challenge. Aaron germinated some seeds. He measured the length of the seedlings every 2 days. He wrote down his measurements. Day 2, 10 mm. Day 4, 15 mm. Day 6, 25 mm. Day 8, 35 mm. Day 10, 40 mm. Question number 7. Present Aaron's results in a table. Remember to give each column a heading. Day, height of seedling, millimeter. Question number 8. Draw a line graph of Aaron's results. So, as you can see, here is a graph of growth of seedlings. Question number 9a. Where does the seed get the energy it needs for germination? From the food stored in the seed. Question B. Which part of the germinated seed grows fast? The first root. Question C. In which direction does it grow? Downwards. Question D. Suggest a reason for this. The seed grows downwards to get water from the soil or to anchor the new plant in the soil. Question number 10. Name 2 seeds that we eat. So you can write any 2 seeds that we eat, such as peas, beans, groundnuts, chickpeas, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and anything else.